In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your email list in Mailchimp effectively and efficiently. Keeping your email list clean is crucial for ensuring high deliverability rates, maintaining engagement, and optimizing your email marketing efforts. Let's dive into the process to manage your list wisely. First, the goal is to identify those inactive subscribers who haven't engaged with your emails in a while. So let's start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to your audience dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to your subscribers. Within this space, you're going to select Manage Audience and then click on View Contacts. This step is vital as it grants you an overview of your entire contact list. Next, you want to create a new segment. Think of a segment as a targeted group based on specific criteria. Here, you'll set conditions to filter out the inactive subscribers. To do this, click on Create New Segment. The conditions you'll set are quite specific. First, you'll look at campaign activity and select Did Not Open over a chosen time frame, like the last 6 months. This setting targets those who have received your emails but haven't opened them, indicating potential disinterest or disengagement. You'll also add a condition based on email marketing status by selecting Subscribed. This step filters out unsubscribed and already cleaned contacts, ensuring you're only focusing on those who technically remain active but are unresponsive. After setting these conditions, preview your segment. This will display a list of subscribers who meet these criteria, essentially your inactive group. Now that you have identified these inactive subscribers, it's time to decide on what action to take. To remove or archive these contacts, head back to your audience and select All Contacts. Here you'll select the segment you just created that contains all the inactive subscribers. Once selected, look for the Actions button. Clicking this will give you an option to remove contacts where you can choose to either archive or delete them. If you opt to archive, it keeps the subscriber's data intact for potential future use but doesn't count towards your subscriber limit. This option is useful if you think they might re-engage later. If you choose to delete, remember that it permanently removes these contacts, which is useful when you're confident that they are no longer valuable to your list. Congratulations, you've now cleaned your email list in Mailchimp. This straightforward yet essential task helps you manage your audience effectively, ensuring that your communication efforts reach those who value and appreciate your content. Keep your list fresh and functional for better results in your email marketing campaigns.